In today's digital age, mobile banking apps have become essential for financial institutions to stay competitive and provide convenient services to their customers. In this video, we'll delve into the crucial aspects of mobile banking app development costs. We'll cover the breakdown of costs based on complexity, location, and company size. Additionally, we'll explore essential features of mobile banking apps, the development procedure for mobile banking app development. Breakdown of mobile banking app development cost. A more in-depth analysis of the factors affecting the cost of developing a mobile banking app. Banking app development cost based on complexity. The more complex the features and functionalities required, the higher the development cost due to increased programming efforts and testing. Banking app development cost based on location. Development costs can vary based on the geographic location of the development team, influenced by factors such as labor rates, taxes, and overhead expenses. Banking app development cost based on size of the company. Larger development companies may have higher hourly rates or project minimums, impacting the overall cost compared to smaller firms with potentially lower rates and more flexibility. 6 essential features of mobile banking app development. Highlighting 6 crucial features necessary for a successful mobile banking app. User-friendly interface, intuitive design for seamless navigation. Security measures, robust encryption and authentication protocols. Account management, easy access to account information and transactions. Mobile deposit, convenient check deposit functionality. Bill payment, integration for hassle-free bill payments. Notifications, real-time alerts for transactions and account activities. Mobile banking app development procedure. Plan and research, define goals, audience, and features. Research market trends and competitors. Design, create wireframes and UI/UX design. Development, build backend infrastructure, APIs, and front-end functionality. Testing, ensure usability, performance, security, and compatibility. Deployment, submit to app stores, comply with guidelines. Support and maintenance, provide ongoing updates and support, monitor analytics. Why RichestSoft for mobile banking app development? Discover what sets RichestSoft apart in the realm of mobile banking app development, including expertise, experience, and client satisfaction. Summarizing key points discussed in the video and emphasizing the importance of thorough planning and investment in creating a successful mobile banking app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a like. Stay tuned for more insightful content from RichestSoft.